Unlock fast cash with proven side hustles. Welcome to the ultimate guide on making money fast with side hustles. Today, we're diving into 5 proven ways to boost your income quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First up is freelance graphic design. If you have a knack for creativity, this is perfect. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients seeking your skills. Next, consider delivering food. Services like Uber Eats and DoorDash offer flexible hours. It's an easy way to earn extra cash, especially during peak times like lunch and dinner. Online tutoring is another great option. Share your knowledge in subjects you're passionate about. Websites like VIPKid and Tutor.com help you connect with students worldwide. Renting out a spare room through Airbnb can be highly profitable. If you've got extra space, why not make money from travelers seeking a cozy, homely environment? Finally, there's print on demand. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more. Sites like Teespring and Redbubble handle the printing and shipping for you. Each of these side hustles offers unique advantages. Choose one that aligns with your skills and lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key to maximizing your earnings. Have a passion or hobby. Turn it into a side hustle. This not only generates income but also brings fulfillment. Enjoy what you do while getting paid for it. It's important to manage your time efficiently. Balancing a side hustle with your main job requires discipline. Set realistic goals and stick to a schedule that works for you. Don't forget to leverage social media. Promote your services and connect with potential clients. Platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn are powerful tools for marketing your side hustle. Invest in your personal growth. Learn new skills or improve existing ones. This increases your value and opens up more opportunities to earn money through side hustles. Now you're equipped with 5 effective side hustle ideas. Start taking action today and watch your income grow. Remember, the key is to stay dedicated and persistent. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope these side hustle ideas inspire you to take control of your financial future. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies.